Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Island Mama and this is Trini in Calgary. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Today I'm going to try and make kimchi stew. It is my version, it is not the authentic version of it, but we are going to put a twist on things for our palate. We're from the West Indies or the Caribbean and we put different flavors in it. So let's try this with a twist and see how it comes out. Let's go. So these are the things that I'm going to use. So a bit of sesame oil, fish sauce, garlic. I am using konjac. I am trying to make it keto friendly. Konjac is very low in starch. It is made from a vegetable and it is made in different shapes and stuff like that. This is the noodle style that I got. I'm using beef instead of pork. So I already pressured my ribs and I deboned it. So I have that here. I do have my beef broth. I have my kimchi available for me. I'm using a little sheet of this, which is our seaweed, dried seaweed. I love this one. Yes, because it's more natural than anything and it's not bad oils at all. Then I'm using an onion and a little bit of daikon. So I'm going to peel it, of course. So as always, we are going to start with our coconut oil. We are making it keto friendly now. Onion, and let's add our meat to our dish. As we are hearing it popping now, we are going to add in our kimchi pieces. Place my cut daikon and ready for my water. Let's cover it and let it steam up pretty nicely, and then we are going to put in our beef broth. Looks beautiful. So it's about layering here. What we're about to do now is throw, I would say, 1/4 cup of that kimchi sauce. This was in our kimchi bottle now. See how much sauce we have? So I threw 1/4 cup of that in here. And now I'm going to throw something special. 1 tablespoon of Crisco. This is supposed to, being fat, it's supposed to make this come in nice and thick and smooth, I would say. Looking good. Time to put in our beef broth. Nice bubbles. So as it's beginning to boil, being a Trinidadian, I'm going to put in pimento peppers. So you know what this is? It is a chili paste. And you can find this in the Korean stores, or if you're in Trinidad, maybe check Wing Sing or something downtown, Charlotte Street that is. Maybe you might get it. Alright, so for North America, Asian shops, or for sure in the Korean grocery you'll get it. So we're gonna put, because I love layering, some people do it, put everything in one, let it boil, but I'm putting in a tablespoon in here, and we're going to leave it, let it simmer a bit. So let's close our pot again. If you have any shrimp allergies, if you look at the label, you'll see kimchi has shrimp paste in it. So be careful, read your labels now. I pre-cut my onions. I have my kelp, which is my seaweed. This is bandanya. Normally they use chive, but I'm Trini, so I'm putting my Trini twist in. And here we go. Let's see how our pot looks. Coming along nicely. Let's just add in this because it's nearly done. We're going to just throw in our onions, and we're just going to throw in our bandanya. Tell me how that looks, everyone. It smells divine. And sesame oil. Voila! So I'm getting that fermented sour flavor. I didn't put sugar in this. To me, really, it's not necessary, although the authentic dish has sugar in it. And just all the flavors just coming together, but yet I'm tasting it smooth throughout, and yet I'm tasting those individual flavors of that kelp and of our radish and the beef broth. Beautiful. I love it. Maybe you want to try it. Let me know in the comments if you do. It is my twist on things now. It's not authentic, but it's a Trinidadian twist. So follow me again, like, subscribe, click that notification button, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.